Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to go over rate of change. So the rate of change is a measure of how steep a line is. So the steeper the line is, the higher the rate of change it's going to have. Another word for rate of change is also called slope. So to find a rate of change, the formula is rise over run. The rise tells you how much the line goes up by, and the run tells you how much the line goes to the right. Let's take a look at some examples. So in this first example, I want to find the rate of change of this line. So remember, to find the rate of change, we need to take the rise and divide it by the run. So we need to look at how much does this go up by, and divide it by how much does it go to the right. So let's take a look at this first line here. So I can see just by looking at this line that it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meters. And I can also see it goes up 6 meters over 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So what does this mean? That means the rise is 6 meters and the run is 2 minutes. To find the rate of change, remember the formula is rise over run. So what we need to do is we need to take the rise and divide it by the run. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to take the 6 meters here and divide it by 2 minutes. Six divided by 2 is 3. And my units, well, we're dividing meters by minutes. So my units are going to be meters per minute. And my rate of change is 3 meters per minute. Let's do another example. So for this one, to find the rate of change, we're going to do the exact same thing. We need to find the rise and divide it by the run. Well, the rise, let's take a look. The rise, this goes up to $120. Right? The cost goes up to $120 here. So we can say that the rise is $120. And the run, well, this goes up $120 over for 3 tickets. Right? So the run is going to be 3 tickets. And to find the rate of change, all we're going to do is we're going to take the rise. So we're going to take $120 here and then divide it by the run. So let's do that. $120 divided by 3 tickets is, 120 divided by 3, that's 40. And the units are dollars per ticket, because that's what we are dividing here. So just to summarize, to find the rate of change, we take the rise and divide it by the run. Okay, let's take a look at another example now. So these lines do not start at 0. So you'll notice the lines before, they started at 0, but these ones don't. But to find the rate of change, the idea is still the same, right? We still need to find the rise, and we still need to find the run. right? So let's do that. So the rise, well, we start here and we want to just count. How many meters am I going up by? Well, let's see. Going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going up 8 meters over 2 minutes. To find the rate of change, I'm just going to divide those values, rise over run. So I'm going to take the 8 meters, the rise, and divide it by the run, 2 minutes. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And the units are meters per minute. And there's my answer. But what if I didn't give you a triangle? So here, I drew the triangle out for you. But what if I didn't give you a triangle? What would you do then? Well, it's a similar idea, right? If you don't have a triangle, then you're just going to have to draw your own, right? So you're going to want to pick 2 points on this line, right? You're going to want to pick 2 points on this line and then draw your own triangle. And the thing to remember here is you can pick any 2 points on the line. Any 2 points on the line to find the rate of change. It does not matter. So I'm going to pick these 2 points. Yeah, I'm going to connect these 2 points with a triangle. And then I'm going to use my formula, rise or run, to find the rate of change. Well, let's see. The cost goes from $20 to $80. So the cost goes up $60 total. And the cost goes up $60 over 2 people. So to find the rate of change, I'm just going to divide those two values here. So I'm going to take $60 and divide it by 2 people. $60 divided by 2, that's 30. And the units are going to be dollars per person, because that's what we're dividing. Let's do one more example here. Okay, so this line is going down, but to find the rate of change, it's still the same idea. We need to pick 2 points, any 2 points on the line. So I'm going to pick those 2. Then I'm going to draw my triangle. And then I'm going to find my rise and my run. Well, my rise, the volume is going from 80 to 60 liters, right? So the volume is going down 20 liters. Now, whenever something goes down, right, so a value goes down, we say it's negative, right? Since it's going down 20 liters, I want to say my rise is negative 20 liters. My run is going to be 1 minute. So again, to find the rate of change, we're just going to divide those two values. So I'm going to take my negative 20 and divide it by 1 minute. And when I do that, I get, well, negative 20 divided by 1 is negative 20 liters per minute. And there you go.